All right, fellas, on today's video, no BS, straight to the point, how to take your long crank 6-liter to your small block Chevy automatic. Let's get to it. So this is our setup. You guys seen us weld up the holes in this. We got it on the semi drum here to keep it up in the air. If you come over here to the converter, we have these transfer set screw things in here. And the plan is we're gonna set it on there, get it where we want it, and give it some nice gentle taps to mark where we're gonna drill the new holes at. Shut it off.
Okay, come check the alignment. So I picked it up and walked back in front of the camera.
That's good.
Okay, tap it.
All right, we'll grab a hold of it. Push down on it.
Now we're gonna go test it on the motor, on the torque converter.
Yeah.
Where's the engine side at?
It says it on it somewhere.
Man, Ken, where's his bolts?
Okay.
It's almost like we know what we're doing.
All the time they're the wrong size bolts. Can't be. Not right bolts, are they? Alright, so thanks to me not throwing anything away, and I don't know where these came from. That'll do, donkey, that'll do. Is that the right way?
See the engine side?
No. See that?
Right there.
Huh. Do you mean circle the paint marker again?
Engine side.
Pretty well cut and dried.
You fucked that up, didn't you?
They don't all line up. Oh God, it's kind of heavy. I didn't know that heavy.
Hey, you want to grab a normal ratchet? So I can snug these up?
Sure.
This longer bolt.
This video brought to you by Die Hard Tools. No, I did not. Pretty tight, huh?
You want to hold the motor or something?
I told you I'd let it down. Getting a shot of my... I don't remember where I got this at. It's nice,
so. Just start it so we can wiggle
I think
the
the front of the engine needs to go up a little bit. Yeah. gap's a little bit bigger at the top and the bottom.
It's probably good.
There, my side going in. They were short a bolt.
Are we?
I don't know. I need one more on this side.
You can find it later. It's not a big deal. Did you
I
grab
think I only had 4.
Did you grab a 15 wrench?
Don't we got 15 wrench already?
Here, tie it up. Let's do it.
Like, you do too much on one side at a time. Well, this is a stock rebuild, dude, and like, we were pulling shit with it, and after he put that part in, we forgot, which I got it. After he put that part in, forgot, which I'm assuming was some kind of valve or spring holding the valve, you know?
Keep rolling.
Hold on. There's sliding in the valve body, you know what I'm saying?
No. Don't cut yourself on that. Alright. Half, like an inch. A little bit more. Yeah.
All right, bros, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you hit like if this video helped you out. And if you want to see us slam this into an S10 on the cheap, maybe think about subscribing. Until the next one, this is Tall Garage. I'm out.